Yo Brollies, what's up? I just want to share with you my latest PC build featuring a 12th-Gen Intel Core i9 processor, the V60 Aorus Master motherboard, an absolute beast Aorus Extreme RTX 3080 graphics card with 4400MHz 16GB Aorus memory kit, 1TB Aorus Gen 4 7000S NVMe SSD, and 360mm Aorus Waterforce AIO. Everything is powered by the Cooler Master V850 power supply and are held together by one of my favorite chassis of all time, the Cooler Master TD500 Mesh White. Check the link below to learn more.